Hi guys, Funky here. A lot going around about this coronavirus, COVID-19. There's thousands of people out there just like my wife that are essential workers. My wife's a healthcare worker, so she's putting herself at risk to save other people, which I'm absolutely proud of her for that, but I do worry about her. And likewise, I worry about all my friends, all my followers, and all my diecast community buddies. Hope you all stay safe, guys. Let's hope this pandemic disappears quickly and we can all get back to normal. Love you all, guys. Let's get to the video. And today's video is the classic boneshaker and being Frankenstein to the Ford F100. Both these are Hot Wheels castings, which many people will be familiar with. I intend to make a Shakervan. This it's going to be interesting. I do like doing these shaker ones, I must admit. Shame I can't get many of them. They don't seem to be on the shelves over here in the UK. I pick them up whenever I can, but it's not very often. So let's start off by drilling them out. Just using a 3.5mm drill. Doesn't take a lot to take the top of the posts off. As you see, it comes off really easy. Nice sharp drill bit. I'm not going to be screwing and tapping this one. It will just be glued together afterwards. It says ignore the old pointing pinky. It's numbnuts here decided to fall over. I put my hand out to stop myself and dislocated my finger. It was strapped up, but I thought I'd take the strap off for the video. And it was difficult. Every time it bends, it bloody hurts, and I won't lie about it. But life goes on, guys. I was lucky it wasn't broken, that's all. It literally just popped out, so it just looks like I'm getting ready to drink my Earl tea, as somebody told me. There we go. That's the car stripped down and ready for stripping. Ready to go into the shitty strip. I did strip it using caustic soda. The shitty strip was dead, but unfortunately I didn't video it. Do apologise, guys. So I'm just gonna clean it up now with the wire brush attachment on the rotary tool. Speed things up a little bit. I'm only really concentrating on the back of the van and the front of the shaker. The other parts aren't being used. It did clean up really nicely. Just trying to size up now where I'm going to be cutting. The blade I'm using now is it's a little bit thicker than the standard blades, but it cuts in all directions. So you can be cutting sideways, forwards, backwards, whatever. It's a spiral shaped blade. I can't get a decent hold on the car because of my finger, and I'm struggling like hell, and it's hurting like hell, I'll be honest with you, because every time I try to hold it I keep pushing my bloody finger down. It's so frustrating. So we opted for plan B. I did phone the A-team, but they were out on a mission, so decided better use the rotary tool and put a grinding disc on there. Made life a lot easier. And I've restrapped the finger up as well. Just lining it up, see where it's got to go, and it doesn't fit very well whatsoever. So there's lots of bending and here and bending there and twist here and twist there and jiggery pokery, and eventually we get it pretty close to where it's going to be. As you'll see, it's just a lot of jiggery and pokery on this one now. Well, I'm surprised I didn't snap it, to be honest. Well, I did actually snap parts of it off. But that super glue is back on, as you'll see in a little while. The bonnet came, or the hood, as my fellow Americans call it, broke off. Just clean it all up, make sure it's got some nice joints. I like these type of builds. I think they're a lot of fun. I've got a nice build coming up at the weekend, guys. The 3 Blind Mice Invitational build. The Pontiac GTO, the Judge, and it's thanks to my buddy Lee over at Tom Rider's Wee Little Cars he sent me a surprise package of 3 of the 3 Blind Mice cars for 3 of the upcoming months. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Lee. You are an absolute gentleman, sir. Thank you very much indeed. And I hope you like what I do with these cars. My one's ready and it's all uploaded now, and it's just waiting to be aired on the time. It doesn't come out until the 28th. So remember to look out for the 3 Blind Mice Invitational builds. And there's going to be quite a few decent cars. So you'll have to wait for it, but I like it. I think it's quite a nice car. There we go, a bit of super glue and a little bit of baking soda just to use as a filler. As we know, it goes off like bloody concrete, so out comes a file. It's good though, it makes a fantastic hard filler. Now that's done, I can just cut off the chassis, join them together just to make a nice new base plate. Got a little bit cautious, don't want to lose any fingers. I do think they're a great little gadget to have, these rotor tools, and anybody that's doing these customs definitely needs one. I think we all use them to clean the bodies up after we strip the paint anyway. There we go, and that's where that's got to be. So get some CA on there. Actually surprised it stayed together at there, because it was literally just on the posts. There's nothing supporting the middles, and it just stayed there together. So I thought, oh, perfect fit, absolutely perfect. So now I'm just going to put some on the inside, just a little bit of a reinforcement. And the cocktail sticks, they're no reinforcement whatsoever. These are purely cosmetic, but it just makes the exhaust pipes continue down underneath. And a little bit of activator. Let's do the same on this side. Now we can get back to sanding down the body. I've put a little bit of the Humbrol model filler in there, and it's now pretty much ready for the spray booth. Just that final little bit. So here we go, guys. Throw some colour at this, but I'm not going to be using paint. I'm going to be using nail varnish, nail polish, and this is thanks to my good buddy Brian over at Diecast Outcast, who he's kind of pushed me forwards on this one. Thank you for the encouragement there, Brian. Much appreciated, buddy. I am so happy. I've been wanting to give it a try for a while, but never really plugged into it, and I never did the research on it properly or anything like that. And then thankfully Brian came up with this video and he went, oh look, haha, I've just sprayed this with nail varnish, nail polish. So I said, that's cool. And he's done the video of it, and yeah, it's damn good stuff. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. You'll see there how it goes on. It goes on absolutely beautifully. and I've only done this one spray job with it, and I can honestly say I prefer this to paint. I actually prefer this to using Tamiya paints, and I love them Tamiya paints. I mean, this is unbelievable stuff. This really, really is. I just absolutely love it. Did anybody tell you I absolutely love it? No, it really is good. You can get. I found that I could get a decent coverage, quite a fair weight of paint. Well, it is paint really. It's just a thick cellulose paint, isn't it? Got a thick, nice wet coats on there, and it held beautifully. No runs, no sags, nothing whatsoever. And the self-leveling in there, unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. I loved it. So I should be getting plenty more nail polishes, and the colours. Some of the colours that are out there are absolutely outstanding. Stunning colours, some of them. As it says, I'm loving this nail polish. Never guess, would you? But it does. It goes on great. I think there'll be a lot of people using nail varnish or nail polish, as some people call it. I've noticed a few people have started using it since Brian put his video out, and I've seen a lot of people commenting on the pages. Oh yeah, I've been using it for years, but they've never said anything, so nobody knew. It's nice to share, guys. It's nice to share, like Brian does. Brian's great. He diecast, outcast. He does lots of things. He makes his own candy colours up and all sorts, and he does the videos to share them as well. He doesn't just do them for himself. He encourages it. Tells you exactly how to do it or how he did it. Because we all do things slightly differently. We do it the same but completely different. And it's the way that the hobby will grow. Now the engine's painted up and the interior's not chrome anymore. Thank fuck for that. Sorry, thank God for that. I absolutely it really rattles my goat. It does, them chrome interiors. Ew. Still, not to worry. And just a few little touches. The chrome had been scratched off the skull. And just put a little bit of chrome on the top of the air filter. Colour the air filter in red so it looks like a K&N filter. There we go. Just gonna little bit of activator. And now the final touch is. So let me know what type of build you want to see, guys. I'm very limited on some of the castings I have got or I can get, but give me an idea, a style, or like I say, if you do like two particular vehicles and you think they might look nice together, throw it at me. I might have the castings and I'll be able to do it. I'm always up for a challenge, and I love doing custom work now. Absolutely love it. There we go, guys. A quick recap of how we started with the F100 with the flip front there that never stays up. It always folds forwards for some reason. and the bone shaker himself. And now comes the final reveal. I hope you like it, guys. I absolutely love it. I love the colour. I love the spray job completely. As it says there, do apologise about it leaning over. I put some blue tack underneath this to stop it from rolling off the turntable, because the turntable shelf is not quite level, and so as it goes round, the cars roll off. And it's not just myself it happens to a lot of people. I hope you like it, guys. Cheers for watching. Stay safe out there, guys, and I shall see you all soon. Take care. Love to all. Catch you later. Bye.